Finnegan, and I used to travel the country with my family, going school to school, teaching kids how to juggle with nylon scarves. And then in the evening, they'd bring their parents to school, and we'd teach the whole family to juggle. But now that we're all locked in, I decided it's time to start teaching again, but this time you can use plastic bags. All you have to do is cut the handles off the bags, and then throw one bag from hand to hand. Learn to throw with your palm out like you're waving goodbye, and when you catch, claw like a lion. Goodbye, roar, goodbye, roar. Practice that for a while, and then you can move on to two. Notice that the plastic bags are following a big letter X across your chest. First you throw one way, then you throw the other way, catch down, catch down. And remember, the first one you throw is the first one you catch. So if I start with one in this hand, throw, throw, catch, catch, it ends up in the other hand. Once you can do that, starting with your right hand and starting with your left hand, then you can go on to three. To do three, hold one deep in your hand, make a fist, make a little crab claw on the fingertips and hold one out on the fingertips. Then get your third plastic bag. Start with the hand that has two. Make X's with your throws and look at the top. Every time one gets up, throw another, and keep going. Right, left, right, left, right, left. That's all there is to it. If you can do that, you can move on to juggling with heavier objects with your palms up. And I'll show you that in another video. But get started, get your family together, get the plastic bags, cut off the handles, and have fun. Thanks a lot.